How to share your Wi-Fi password using QR code on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily share your Wi-Fi password using QR code on Android. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up your settings and then go to connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network which you want to share. Or alternatively, what you can do is scroll down on your notification panel, and all you have to do is long press on the Wi-Fi icon, and it's going to take you here. Go to details, and it's going to take you to the same page. Now tap on the gear icon right beside the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then from here you can just tap on QR code at the bottom left corner. Tap on it, then provide your fingerprint. Now it is going to provide you with a QR code like this. You can do a quick share or save this image and then share. It totally depends on you, or the other person could directly scan it over to your phone without even downloading it. That's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.